Hello everyone. Today is day 114 of 366 day live challenge where I come live each day and share my journey, what I'm doing. Basically, from the January to December, I'm on a journey of 366 day as this year as the leap year, right? 366 day, I'm focusing on my personal and my professional life and making sure I have no regrets in my life. Saying that much, let me summarize my day. Today day was kind of productive, okay, like really productive compared to my past days. And yesterday I told you, right? So from the past some days I'm not being productive with like the productivity, and there is something going on, right? Like it's still going on, but today, like yeah, like I successfully did completed my tasks in the office also, and the day was kind of really productive, okay. And also, like yeah, so I still think like there is a lot of room to improve, and I think there is some time, like some hours that I could have uh, spent like more organized or more focused way. And I think some hours were kind of wasted kind of a guess, okay. But still, yeah, it was a good day. And I also went to the gym and did the deadlift also today, and also like learn about that curiosity, okay. So there is Amazon service sales maker studio, so where like a Jupyter notebook, so where I can like train my data on the ML and AI. So as I'm doing this course, and they have the detail kind of a way how to guide, like how can I do those things, like yeah. So I'm learning from that, and still I'm doing some of my research for the uh kind of a universities for the research kind of way, okay, like kind of that way. And still there are a lot of things to do, okay. So I'm kind of not to call myself busy, but I have to do one game on the Unity. I need to complete one app like the UI by Friday. I need to complete the UI of web by Friday. I need to do assignments of semester 2 of PCA and one practical lab also. And I need to apply for one, two, kind of three, four kind of online programs of on the quantum computing and the CS. And for that, I need to fill out the applications. Yeah, I need to spend my time well organized, and yeah, like I will be. So okay, guys. Okay, so I think okay. So I have like made that 1 hour should I be on the live, right? But I'm thinking so for some time being, cause just by spending on live and just interacting with you guys, yeah, it's a great thing. But still, like I need to do some of the tasks, and I'm kind of in a learning stage, okay. So I need to learn more than what I speak, okay. So trying to make a live of 30 minutes for for some weeks or even month. And when the things get sort out, right, then I will try to extend to the 1 hour. And if you guys see like from my past videos, I used to come live for like 2 3 hours also. But I think I need to like really cut off my time, because like while speaking I need to learn more, okay. So because for some facts and data also, and as I'm right now, right, with the some of the skill and with some of the knowledge, that's why I'm talking with you guys. But if I don't learn and if I don't upgrade, then I will be on that same state, okay. So that's why like I am going on so many things like the BCA, like semester assignments, game on the Unity, and one app, websites and of my own learning, and also the Amazon Web Service, that AI courses. So kind of hectic. So I will try to be like time. I will like focus on live for like 30 minutes only, okay. For some time being like weeks or even month. Then after I can yeah easily come and with my more knowledge. Amit, hi bro. Hello brother. How are you doing, bro? Bro, like, can I ask you one question? So, okay. So, on which university did you win, bro? So like, did you win kind of um okay, so on some of my time I'm also doing research on the quantum computing research group or research kind of initiatives, so where I can mail the professor, right? So I'm really interested on your this research and can like, as I have done like 1 year of my quantum computing course also, and I have like this skill set, so I can really add value to your resource like that kind of way. uh, I'm thinking to do it. So so what do you think, bro? So okay, you are like trying to learn UI UX, right? Okay, so let me UI just okay, like let me so actually I found this website. Okay, so uh one of my brother like from our Nepali community, he suggested this website to learn UI UX. And bro, like as being a front end, yeah, like as being a developer, if you like really try to work on your own startup or like your own product, right, that the UI part is kind of a struggle. Okay, still I know the Figma, like I can make some of the things on the Figma, but like making on a design process, making on the design principle, and also like separating the components, yeah, like that we can do. But the main thing is like thinking on that kind of way, right? It's very kind of best thing to have as a developer. So let me just say you, okay, bro. I just found, okay, so I will send you this link, bro. Here. And I'm also like will try to do this but after a week, but still like in my office, so I'm doing a website from the Figma, right? So I'm like communicating with the Figma, like with the UX designer, and also like learning some things while talking about the UI, like how he thinks and what are his fonts, and like how much of font ratio, okay, like if the font size ratio, like the line height ratio kind of way. So most thanks, bro. Sure, bro. So if you think, yeah, so that's the full UX design course for like the 49 week conversion free, yeah. So why I like this course, because bro, like just a simple reason, okay. As a developer we can learn things quickly, and like a Figma we can learn, okay, so what tool is for what, like how to use, how to create one poster or how to create one website, yeah. But the thinking process, okay, like how to do it, like why we are doing so some kind of things, like the design system, how to pick like a perfect grid color spacing, like that thing is kind of, I think, more important than others for me, okay. So brother, as I told you, so I will be being like only for 30-minute live for some weeks or some months, and on the live also, yeah, you can guys can have some of the discussion, and I'm like too happy to like answer and to interact. And on my side I will also try to do my own research, okay, and kind of thing. Hi, good to see you again. Sure, bro. Yeah. Hello, bro. And how are you doing, bro? How your day went? Mm, Georgia. हेलो चाचा जी। हेलो भतीजे। आप कैसे हो? I'm just coming. So okay. Mhm. No sound. No, my bad. So guys, like, what did you learn today? How was your day? Like, did you learn anything new and want to share? Like, you still made or not this kind of like. Hmm. So I need to deliver this one. So okay, we can do your. What about you? You stop my number in rolling universities. Application fee, I don't know that. Hmm. Confused. Okay, use the mainline. State University. Don't know really. Uh, I code on hour or so. I'm just asking a question to myself. Hmm? You're just asking to your question yourself. Like I code 1 hour or so. I'm just asking question to myself. And yeah, bro. Like deep bro. So on which day are you of your on the day of programming like coding challenge, bro? I started C today and practice some jazz, bro. That's great, bro. Learning I guess for a kind of on a beginner stage, yeah. Like if you are like going into the programming, I think like learning C or like Java is very kind of good. Like although like people try to prefer with the Python, and as I also started with the Python, right? My first programming was like the Python, but if I had to choose or if I have to prefer, I would like to like start with the C or C++ or Java, because that way like I will have a more kind of a knowledge, okay, on how the really programming works, like learning, because Python like abstract all those things that are like, yeah, for the betterment of the development as well. Yeah, like the Python has the really its own merits, but if I wanted to start again, then I will go with the C, C++ or Java, and then I will go with the Python. 6 day, bro. That's great, bro. Just keep that momentum, bro. Uh, Around, hello, bro. Hello. How you doing, bro? I'm thinking I'm not going to land a job without a CS college degree. Why I'm doing this? Yeah, like okay. Mm. But like that's also a thing. But and at the same time, I think if you are learning to code, yeah, if you are learning to code and doing programming, building products, then for a one time also I think every developer should try their own kind of a product which they want to build. Okay, so if they have any problems and they want to make a solution out of it, just learn some of how to market that product, how to make it a kind of a beautifully shipped product. Okay, and if you kind of a launch, not kind of a big startup also, but if you just launch on a small level, and if that really goes well, right, then I think that also like really start your entrepreneurship kind of a journey. And also from that you can really great get the jobs. Okay, because that proves that you are a developer who can build products, and that is a production level. Okay, because the people are using that product. Like building on a locally, like any software is different than when you are uh, taking it to the production. Like there will like so many complex things happens, right? So if you got the taste of that, then yeah, like I think the company will try to hire you, bro. Like obviously because you have the experience that really need. Okay, for the fresher, because they already know the how to code, how to do the stuff. But at the production kind of way, like the production level code, how to maintain it, how to make it a secure, how it can like scalable. If you are on the react, then uh, how to make the better components. Okay, that's the thing. I found a guy, he's in high school, he literally builds his own operating system for fun. Okay, that's great, bro. Yeah, like I think yeah, we can also try to build I also know one. Okay, not the operating system, but there is one brother I know. Okay, he has made own programming language, like a ER language. Okay, like ESS I think. Yeah, A lang A lang I guess it is not that much popular that I can find on the internet. But yeah, yeah, like if you do kind of your own hobby project for a long term also, like that can really make you kind of a different from a group of the software engineer, right? Because there are many there are many person who are also programming each day, coding, and we have to do some stuff for a long time, so that will really create us a different on that market, right? Bro, what happened? I sent you a message. Have you seen? Not really, bro. In the WhatsApp, right? Bro, like I have like so many messages on the WhatsApp. Okay, like so many messages on the WhatsApp. So I think which I think I have like couple of messages I have like seen, but I thought like I will test after some time. But okay, your message is down where? Yeah. Mm, how can I learn process any language? Um, like from so just for the passing marks for your like our PCA, then yeah, like just going through that textbook, like that lab, and also just a simple way, bro. Like that's not kind of a big thing. Just to go through that course and watch some of the videos, like that will really help you, bro. Or if you like really want to build a kind of a your bootloader or kind of a operating system kind of way, then yeah, you can go with that also. Yeah, like there are, so if you just go with the assembly language on the YouTube also, like you can find so many. Just complete one video like from top to down, and then try to build your own idea. And then you will face some of the problems that will really sure to come. Okay, then you're like a real learning of the assembly starts. That's the thing. I'm also learning CS from CS Beauty and going to net to teach. Okay, bro. And yeah, like today I did that. So I'm doing one Amazon web service like a Udacity program on the AI and ML, right? So today I like learn about the Amazon Sales Maker. So it is kind of a Jupyter notebook. So where we can like run out Python like pandas libraries to like predict and like really like the same we do on the Jupyter, but and the server like the cloud side. Okay, on the Amazon. So I was like I did that some labs and also like watch the videos from that curiosity about what the whole 6 months is going to be like. Yeah, bro, like like explore new stuff and just learn new things like if you are like a front-end developer also, then uh, you can give 1 hour or 2 hour to learn backend ML or AI or quantum, even like on your interest, right? So just don't limit on one tech stack. I think because tech is moving so rapidly also. Did you forget things? Don't you forget things? Yeah, like okay, for the forgetting things I forgot so much. Okay, so okay, uh if some things is kind of not necessary for me to remember, then I just don't remember. Okay, like that kind of way, because like a simple things. Okay, for an example, like in the daily life also. Okay, my mother told my mother told me like s- I said you that thing but you didn't remember kind of way, because for me on that time I was like thinking another thing. Okay, and for compared to that, that thing was not important and I could like just type on my notion. Okay, so I use, okay, let me write down also. So I use notion a lot. Okay, for everything, for my studying, for my research, for my uh things to do startup, like is and everything I use notion. Okay, so if something that I really need to remember, then I just go on the notion and type, then I just don't remember on my brain, like that kind of way. No, just example, there are many components in YAML. Do you remember most components? Notion is good app. Yeah, bro. Like must come now, bro. Like that they happens, right? So if I have to find one component, I know like what kind of component I need. So in the MUI, okay. So if I need kind of a app bar, then yeah, like there is app bar, drawer, and tool tip, and there are calendars. Like I know, like there is a calendar date picker component in the MUI, because I have like already explored it, right? So I just go and search, and if I found there, then I just take it, or I try to find from the other like GitHub repos, or just make my own, like if there is nothing. Like okay, so I made one thing. Okay, so I'm kind of proud of that also. So but like not fully, but okay. So let me just I just forgot that the component, but there is the React date picker kind of. Okay, so there is the calendar, and from selecting one date, I guess so one date, if you drag to the date 5, then on like dragging that day from day 1 to day 5, there will be the API call from day 1 to day 5, and on that base the side of your component will render and it will show you the report. Okay, so for that there is the library obviously for in the MUI also, but that is kind of paid. So I made my own. uh so that was kind of a, it took me time also. Okay, and I just wrote that all code, okay, from myself. Yeah, that date picker range, and on that date picker range I need to call APIs, and on that API calling, from that response I need to like make sure that the outcome components will be different. Okay, so on that side of the UI, and that MUI was kind of like a paid. Okay, so I made my own. They give me more, I want to send a link. Got it. More, I don't know, bro. Okay, let me see. In the YouTube, I guess if I go on the YouTube studio, then I can give you, right? Because on this StreamYard, I don't see any option to give you. Okay, so there is like a put user in timeout, ban user and delete their comment, delete comment, moderator. Cause I'm from the StreamYard, yeah, right? So I can't go to the studio, okay, of the YouTube also to like change. Or I can. Okay, let me just see. I think. I guess okay. I think I have made you moderator, bro. I don't know, like. So are you moderator, bro, or not? I don't know. Hmm. Oh, okay, yeah, you are. So, okay, guys, I'm also like thinking one pro it okay, like just got one idea that I I think I got that idea before some days, okay, while I was coming home, but because at that time I did not have any things to write, okay, so because of that I was not able to add to my things. Okay, I will just type on the notion. Okay, so my idea is okay. So I was doing SEO on my previous job role, right? So as a SEO expert I was like managing all like on page, off page, technical SEO on the on like WordPress also, and the Google ads and LinkedIn ads, Facebook ads. So I was doing that, right? So what I'm thinking is on the each month, okay, I need to make a report of the SEO, like a monthly report, and sometime I need to like make a weekly also, or like 6 month comparison kind of SEO report, sometime 3 month kind of report. And on that period, okay, so I was overseeing kind of a 4 or 5 websites, okay. So for each website I was like going through all checking, okay, from the domain rating to the backlinks to the spam links, bounce rating, like all those technical, off technical, and on page office technical, like all those aspect of the SEO, right? So it took me time like full day to just research, and the next day full day to just make it on a kind of a beautiful kind of a document or a report, right? So what I thought was, so by using some of the libraries, so I can create one dashboard, okay. So from there, if a person comes, so as I have the experience, yeah, and I know the pain, okay, how much it takes time to do that report and to just do that report, okay. So I know, I feel the pain, okay. So I will just put my URL on that basis, so it will like hit the some of the APIs that will count is that domain rating, bounce rate, so that will be a free, okay. So there are like some of the tools that do kind of a free way, and I can use kind of a Google Analytics and Google Search Console and Google Ad. uh, I can use their APIs for to incorporate with my dashboard, and from there I will get the data and it will create a report like what I used to create with in back then, right? So if I make that site, then I can please like I can say to my boss like of that company to they can purchase my this idea, so they can create their report. So as there is new SEO expert, right, so these work will also kind of will non for the making report. And on later days, by like having the a person who can really test and work, right, uh, I can from the feedback I can really work on that for some months or weeks, and I can see to the like in the market also in the Nepal first, and then I can like market to the internationally also, right? So okay, I'm going to really work on this idea, bro. Like, because I know like how those SEO things work, like all those things, right? Because I did for the past 1 year. So okay, let me just type my notes on. Congrats. Check this project. Okay, let me. So I need to go to the stream to. Okay. Dot me. Passionate association with low level some sense design principle currently building optimized OM and making content guided at no system embedded for operating system compare. I wrote this compiler for check programming language from any language without using compiler theory just for fun. It took me 3 months and resulted in 2000 lines of code. I and, and that gave me an unofficial PhD in string passing. Then translator and assessment as a part of the course. I also wrote this assessment for the JAC assembly as well as this VM translator. Bro, like there are like bunch of things. Okay, like the PV tricks. Like I don't know what it really does. I need to look it. Web dot a simple tool for doing OSCNT. Yeah, I know that for scraping in Python and nothing fancy. Also, is learning. Okay, I need to see that. So blocks. That's great for a developer. Twitter, GitHub. Let me check the GitHub. Reading. Okay. Hmm. Pretty good list. That's really good list, bro. Is that you, bro? I'm not stopping until I can make this level project. Okay, that's a great motive. Like kind of a so yeah, like obviously we should have one target, and that target should be really high. Okay, and then we should try to reach that target. Yeah, bro. Uh, and best wishes for your journey. Mm, I, he builds office system for fun. Lord, I wish that was that me, bro. But yeah, like the everyone journey is different. So yeah, bro, just do your thing, and also the main thing is so you are learning further, right? So try to build some apps that are really good at the production level. Okay, so on the flutter there is a block and gear text, right? So try to use with the block. Okay, so like the many people go with the GitX as the first because it is comparatively easy than block, but I really suggest you go with the blog, and from the from the docs read and try to write the code on your standard. Okay, like or on a standard way, because that will really make you different in the job market also. Yeah, bro, do that stuff mainly of your flutter. So yeah, guys, so one quick thing, like I'm also learning UI UX. Okay, as I know like UI UX in the Figma, but not on a kind of how to think on the design way, right? And another thing, like I already told on this live, okay, so at the beginning of my 2 day live, but just let me give a quick summary while you are here, guys. Okay, so as I'm doing multiple projects right now, and I also have one my assignment of my second semester, and because of that thing, like I'm doing one unity game and I need to complete by some deadline, so I have that. And as I'm doing my own that app from the office and the website and the dashboard website also, and I need to complete one projects of the Udacity or until this month. Okay, like I have 6 days to complete one ML project, and also the assignment on the 6 days. And also I'm doing research on the US here, right? So I'm like making my life just for 30 minutes for some weeks or some months. Then I will be more active on this live for like going 1 2 hour. Back in days also, like I used to do live for 1 2 hour, right? But for now, let me just have my own time for earning also, because right now I'm speaking because of some the knowledge of my experience I have that I'm sharing with you guys, right? And if I just don't learn, and if I just don't keep up with my upgrade, then I can just say to you guys, right? So that reason I'm kind of making my life kind of a short way and just focusing on my other things. And after this live, so I'm going to do my uh, assignment also, and other things also, like the MLAI of the Udacity, and also the research on the US of the quantum computing. So there is also UX course by Google on Coursera. Yes, bro. Yeah, there is also like a very good course. Okay, in fact, like I have like seen many people like doing that whole course on a public and sharing on the public. Okay, so I did these things on the day one, and I built this kind of a prototype, and from that also like they have like really got the job. Okay, so yeah, like that course is also good, but yeah, this course is also like more into just learning some of the things that you need as a programmer to build some startups or quick. So yeah, guys, let me in this live, so thank you for coming this live. Stay safe, take care. See you to Omaro on this live, and just keep learning, keep exploring, and do your best. So take care, guys. See you tomorrow on this live. So bye bye, take care. So I'm ending this live. Bye bye.